Coronadal, South Cotabato. Designer, Eliza Marceline, Ismael Aguirre. Hudalu, spiritual guardian. Mindanao Island has boundless and rich cultures never yet unfolded. With its cheap product, its bare expensive fabric, Mindanao is a rising tiger of fashion and intricate textiles. One of the most famous fabric is Dinalak. Dinalak is a sacred cloth woven by the Tiboli people in communities around Lake Cebu, Mindanao Island. Traditionally made by women of royal blood, thousands of patterns are produced during the dreaming stage in reference to folklore, and stories are known to the Tiboli women by memory. The reason why people of Tiboli are called the Dream Weaver. Coronadal, South Cotabato. Coronadal, South Cotabato. Coronadal, South Cotabato.
Can you share some facts about your province or city at Istaloma? Can we start with Coronadal?
Hello, my name is Sean Andrews. I'm a great man growing up. One fun fact about the city of Coronadal is in Lake Cebu, there's the greatest tallest zip line in Asia that I rode on this past summer with my family. Yeah, that's one fun fact.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Coronadal.
What delicacies in your provinces that best describe your personality and moral?
And Coronadal, South Cotabato.
A delicacy there.
Ay, kung ulit.
Ulitin niyo na. Sino yung mga background?
Wala pa.
Please continue.
My grandma, she's from Coronadal. She's
Sorry.
really good. Really fills me up with energy.